Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this amazing house in the Cotswolds, where we're doing a revisit tour so you can see the windows and doors, and it's a project we completed a couple of years ago. Join me on a tour around this amazing house. This particular house is one of 3 on a luxury development where we installed our Internorm sliding doors downstairs and the Velfac windows upstairs. You've got 2.5 meters of height right beside me here, so it really maximises the amazing views that we have around us. And we've got our Internorm triple glazed HS330 sliding doors. This particular example has our level access threshold. We've got our aluminium grey external, and this client chose a timber finish on the inside, but again in anthracite grey, to really go for that contemporary sort of feel within the building. So it really does sort of show off our amazing products in this gorgeous house. Thank you for watching another video by Eco House and joining us at this completed project where we've installed our Internorm windows and doors. Please keep an eye out for some next videos where we'll be enjoying some more amazing views like this.